Hello, this is Mohammad Musaddiq Alam and I am a fourth year software engineering student at Daffodil International University. I completed both my SSC and HSC from Rajshahi Shiksha Board Government Model School and College, and my hometown is Rajshahi, Bangladesh. From an early age, I was interested in technology and problem solving. This is why I chose software engineering as a field of study. I enjoy coding and develop software to solving the problem. I want to make web developer my career growth. Throughout my university journey, I gained knowledge through both theoretical and practical courses. I have worked on different academic and project-based tasks that have helped me to improve my technical skill, teamwork, communication, and problem-solving abilities. Those time, my university course teacher and my mentor helped me very well. As a part of software engineering course, I was completed two major capstone project courses. In the first project, I was make a travel agency website where I focused on create a modern, responsible and user-friendly interface. In the second project, I was make a job resume management system, a full stack web application that allow me to gain hand-on experience in both front-end and back-end development. Beside web development, I also have a strong interest in cybersecurity. I enjoy learn about secure software development and understanding how to build systems that are both functional and secure. I believe that combined software development and cybersecurity knowledge makes me a better developer. I am passionate about learning new technology, improve my programming skills and taking on new challenges. I always try to write clean, efficient and maintainable code. And I believe that learning never stops in the field of technology. My career goal is to become a skilled full stack developer where I can build innovative web application, solve real world problem and continue growing both personally and professionally. Thank you for taking to watch my video. I look forward to learning, growing and making positive impact both in my skill and dedication. Have a good day.